Aldrich Jumong L. Mary James Martin B. Palanas B. Daryl P. Reyes Riley P. Reyes Emmanuel A. Ricarte Jamir Nathan I. Rivesa Cedric.
Let us welcome Mr. Frederick A. Almazan, Principal, Juan Sumulong Campus. Dr. Aurora A. Franco, Assistant Vice President and Director for Basic Education. Of the academic and special awardees and the candidates for graduation of the Senior High School Department of Aliado University who won Sumulong Campus for the academic year 2024-2025.
Hanap yung anak namin ito. Kaya baka kilala na anak ko natin. Kaya pumapasok na to by ano, yung nandun sa libro. Parang si Boka. Si ano yung isang maliit. Kapalitan ni Boka.
Hindi si Tato? Wala, hindi po kami nanonood.
Si Boka ata sa nakalitin. Ang ano nung mata ko rin.
Hindi.
Hindi ko ba yan?
Huli nga sila eh.
Uli ba sila?
Ano sila? Huling-huli sila sa day 1.
Mas una ata ang sad system eh. Kalimutan ko lang.
Ginawa nga yung program. Sabi ko
Bakit sa inyo dapat sa nanay, di ba?
May section 9 na ako.
Oo nga.
A3. May section 2 daw.
System 8.
Pagpasok ng picture, may ano yun. Ay, nakatulad.
Flashcard. Ang liit din eh.
Okay.
Dahil pinapakita mo ng
Business pa yan eh. Parang ano pa.
sama mo sila nandun sa kabila.
So, baka nga doon pa sila napapunta sa kabila.
Talaga nila makikita.
Pero 43 section, napakadami.
Almost 2,000 ata sila.
Ayun na, si Lester nakabag pa.
Muli ba si Lester? Nakita natin.
Ayun sila. Hindi, sila ba yan? Best pala yan eh. Pero si Lester yun. Yung nakabag.
Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM. Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, STEM.
Ayun, STEM.
Home Economics, HE. Information and Communication Technology, ICT.
Parang kakaunti ang subject.
General Academic Strand, GAS.
Sila ayun.
Ilan?
Sports, Arts and Design, SAD.
Ayun sila, kakaunti. Kaya pala
May we
sila.
request Mr. Francisco
Ayun pala.
Paulino V. Caigo, Chairman and CEO of Arellano University, for the confirmation of the graduates.
Nasa kala mo liulihan pala ang sad. Sad na.
By the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Arellano University and the Department of Education, I declare you graduates with all the honors, rights, and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Francisco.
By the teachings and ideals of my alma mater, to which I now belong. So help me God. Congratulations, proud James!
Graduates,
May pakuluto.
fulfilling one's dreams and aspirations are usually associated with a sense of meaningful achievements. With hope in your heart and faith in your soul, the universe is ready to make your dreams happen. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the graduates with hope and inspiration in their graduation song entitled Hiraya by CD. Dear parents and guests, together, let us show them our strength and unity by singing the hymn of Arellano University.
Finals na to. Finals na.